Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to draw a frog in 6 steps. So we're going to start off with drawing a shape that looks similar to an egg, and we're going to try to fill up this entire sheet here. So if you want to follow along, so we're going to go and draw a shape like this, like that. And then the second step, we're going to draw a left leg. So we're going to start about here. We're going to come over like that. And we're going to draw another one on this side. And I'm using a pencil so that I can go and make some mistakes and draw my shapes and then just erase what I don't want later on. So I recommend using pencil and maybe drawing not so hard. Press with light pressure. Don't press too hard. Just like that. So step 3, we're going to draw the eyes and the mouth. So I'm going to draw a circle over here, like that. I'm going to draw another circle right next to that one. And we're going to draw a mouth. We're going to go from one side all the way to the other, like that. And inside the eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle, and then another one here, and then even smaller one like this for the highlight. Okay, so the next step, we'll draw the arms. So we're going to draw one over here. We're going to start just below the mouth. We're going to come down like this. So we'll draw two curved lines, kind of close together. And as you get to the bottom here, we'll draw 3 little fingers. So we'll do one out in this direction, one out kind of in the middle, and one over to the side. And then we'll try the same thing on this side. So we'll draw 2 curved lines close to each other, and then we'll draw one there, one in the middle, and then one over to the side, just like that. And then for the next step, we're going to draw the lily pad that the frog's sitting on. So I'm going to draw an ellipse, kind of like this. And you can draw right through if you want, or you can just start and end where the legs are. So I'm going to go right about this area here. We'll draw a shape like this. Again, press lightly so that you can kind of erase later on, just like that. Okay, and then the lily has a little notch in it, like that. And then let's finish off with the toes of the frog here. So we'll do similar to the finger shapes here. We'll do some toes. So we'll do one in the middle, and then one at the end, the other side. And we'll do the same on this side over here. Do one like that, one in the middle, and one over there. Great, so there's your frog in 6 steps. And so next I'm gonna get my Sharpie out, and I'm just gonna select the lines that I want to highlight. So I'm gonna start with the eyes because I don't want this area behind the eye. So I'm going to go carefully now and trace the shapes that you like. So there's the one eye. There's the second eye. And we'll draw the middle part like that. Then I'm going to draw the body. So we're just gonna select that there. We're gonna come down here. I'm gonna stop with where the arm is, because the arm is in front of the body, like that. So when I draw the arm, this is gonna be in front, like that. And the same on the other side. That. And then I'm gonna draw the mouth. that. And then I am going to start off with the feet, because the feet are going to kind of come up in front of this leg area here. So I want to erase that part afterwards. So I'm going to draw the toes first. See how they extend up here? And then what that allows me to do is only like to stop there, and the toes look like they're in front. Just like that. I'll do the same on this side. I'll start with the toes. And then we'll finish off like this. And I'll finish the base. And lastly, the lily pad. So we're gonna go this way, come over here. And like that. So there you go. So now we're finished drawing the frog, and you can use a white pearl, pink pearl, or the end of your eraser head of your page, of your pencil, and wait for your ink to dry up fully. But I'm just gonna go and try to not smudge this too much. And then you can go ahead and erase all the lines that you don't want. And then you can color this in or add some shading, whatever you like. If you really like this tutorial, check out our How to Draw Stuff sketchbook. Inside, we have 90 really cool and fun things to draw. Each one has a simple step-by-step process that allows you to follow along and draw what you see right inside the sketchbook. It's really cool. You got to get yourself a copy.